How to turn on private browsing mode in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So I'll show you how to easily turn on private browsing in your Safari. Let's dive right in. Open up your Safari first, and then you will see two square tabs in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you can see private option. Just tap on it and then hit done. Now you can see that private browsing has been enabled. Now this will add additional privacy protection for all your private tabs and it won't be saved in your history. Now if you want to come back from the private browsing mode, just tap on the two tabs again and then just come to the start page. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.